welcome back to my channel. Well, what I actually really want to show you guys is this. It's a hair waver. It's summer and this is really cool because it's a hair waver where you press your hair in between the waver, the plates, and it creates so-called mermaid waves. Right, so I already have one which is called a deep waver, meaning this part is higher. Do I have it with I can't, but you know, right? And I saw this one because I was looking for those mermaid triple barrel waver, which I used to have, and then I sort of sold it. But then I was like, oh, I wonder how it would be like if I have them in different sizes. But then and then I was like, on the internet, I was like, oh, I don't really want to buy. There is a set out there that with 3 interchangeable triple barrels. But I was like, yeah, taking up too much space. And then I found this one, which you can see how like I can have different sizes. And I remember having another one with shorter I don't know what they call it. It's like barrels, and I prefer the look of the one which is deeper anyway. But then I thought it would be nice to have a shorter, like, you know, because then the waves are less pronounced. So I saw this and I thought I'll buy this, I'll try it out, and then I'll keep the one that I like. So I don't know, so let's try it out, I guess. It's a little bit of a styling type video today, maybe. So I've plugged it in and there's a lock here so that I can lock it at the height that I want. So right now it's unlocked. So let's turn it on here. Here, just a little one. All right. So, okay, so now it's at 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the temperature control. I need to have very hot heat to ensure that my curl stays. And I always have this heat mat so that when I do wave my hair or when I curl with these curling thongs, I can I don't burn the table. So first of all, I will always spray my hair with a heat protectant, and the one that I'm using is a GHD one that it heat protects and sort of keeps the curl, helps the hair retain curl. I found my old one, which is the Babyliss Pro titanium one. See how like it's higher, and if we look the surface area, the silver bullet one is a little bit smaller, which I feel like you don't need that wide because you don't want to have too much hair being clamped, because the more hair it is, the longer you have to leave it on, and if you don't leave it for long enough, the curl sort of doesn't last. So I'm curious about all the different sizes. So I normally separate my hair into 4 parts and then front and back. So, but I'm just going to do one side. Oh, and also I have heat protecting gloves. Where are you? Because I have been known to like burn myself on a few occasions. Hang on. I need to find my heat protecting gloves. Oh, here they are. Okay, yes, so I have a longer one. So I generally put it on the hand that's going to be handling the hair, not the hand that is holding the clamp. Okay, so this is the shortest setting. Let's lock it in. Oh, wait. I haven't shown you how I separate my hair. And I haven't even sprayed this on yet. I'm just curious. So I normally just spray it in. Yeah. But I'm just going to do one weft, okay? Just going to do one weft. So normally, yes, I would separate into 4 parts. And I start from the back. It's just easier. But for today, I'm going to just do one section. All right, 210. So shortest one, I would go... Oof, try not to burn my ears. So you do have to clamp it down. And then when you move on to the next one, you kind of... Oh, did you see the steam? I'm literally burning my hair. You want to move on to the next curl. Otherwise, the wave kind of doesn't look continuous. Okay, look. Oh my God. It's not bad. Like, that's how it looks like. I just clamp it for like 10 seconds. Yeah, it's steaming because of the hair product. And I would go right to the end. I like to have my hair, looks like it has like go all the way to the end. Some people don't go all the way to the ends, but I do. Okay, so, I mean, oh, that's pretty. Oh, look, it's not even frizzy. Frizz is caused by heat and dryness in the hair follicles. So, oh my God, it's pretty, right? Oh, all right. That's how it looks like. Let's try. Let's unlock it, and we'll try the second height. So, height number 2. I'm gonna go a different weft of hair, and that's about how thin I would go for the curl to last. But sometimes I'm in a rush, so I do grab a tad more hair. Oh yeah, nice. I can see the waves is more pronounced and deeper. Wow. It's a lot of fun playing with hair like curling tongs, you know. Right? Oops. Kind of a little bit wonky. It's okay. Yeah, like that. Okay. Oh well. So, how does it look compared? Maybe because I was like holding on to more. Not that much difference, I think. But they look so cool. Like, they look so cool. Okay, so I've left 2 more wefts for like, okay, 3rd height. Oops. This way. And I like deeper waves because I feel like, because my hair is so long, that if it's not curly enough, like if the curls are too shallow, then as the night wears on, or as the day wears on, the weight of my own hair sort of straightens out the hair, you know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, I should hold it for longer. I think it's kind of fun. And according to the box, it says that you can create 7 looks. And I'm still kind of like not sure what 7 means. You can apparently straighten it and curl your hair like that. So I don't know, I'm so curious. Maybe I should try it. Oh, oopsie. Yeah, you kind of need to get the right, you see what I mean? You need to get the right, as the curl, the waves go, you need to clamp at the end of the wave before. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oops. I do have like curling tongs as well, but sometimes I find this is faster because you just clamp. Oh, cool. It's more pronounced, like the waves are deeper. but does it really look any different? So I think this is the end wave. That was the shallower one. I don't know, maybe not that much of a difference. But it's so much fun. Oh my goodness, I love like this clampy things. Okay, last section. Okay, no, not this weft of hair, this weft of hair. Oh yes, 4. Like the highest one, can't go anymore. I know this is a video about nothing really. It's just me trying to create content so that my channel, because I'm posting like travel things now and it's not picking up. So I think it's my hashtag. Oh, look, yes. So I try to not pull it straight so that the curl maintains as I move down the hair. Yeah, the length of the hair. Oh my god, this is not. There you go. Needs to try to get into the middle. Oh, nice. Oops. Can get tiring in the thumbs. Oh, fairly heavy. But I do like these two brands, Babyliss Pro and Silver Bullet. But you know what? I think, no, not I think, yes, and I have seen GHD is coming up. And not I think, so GHD is coming up with, they also have their own hair waver. So for those who are wanting, ooh, nice. Oh my god, right? Like it's so curly. Oh yes, you can buy the GHD version. Yeah, so I think I can definitely see some differences with regards to, I'm gonna put that hair out. Yeah, I think it is more, just trying to look at myself in the mirror. Oh my gosh, yes, hair. I think it is more pronounced. The thicker, the bigger the barrel. I mean, the taller, yeah, you can see like it's more. But, you know, I wouldn't say it's not a huge difference. Or maybe it is. See, this is the back one, is the short one. But I think I kind of held it for longer. Oh, this is not a good experiment. I should have, like, timed myself. Cool. Like, I mean, yeah, okay. So, let's try another way of curling hair. Now, according to them, you can turn it down to 1, 2, 3 to the lowest one. Let's lock it. And then I think you're meant to be able to curl just like using a straightener to curl your hair. So you do it like this, which I find very cumbersome. This never really works for me. It curls a bit. I think it's because my hair is too long. I'm happy with it being a what do you call it, hair waver. Oh gosh. All right, so that 5th method kind of didn't work, but like, see, like that mermaid look is so cool right now because it's summer. And yeah, I do like to play with like hair tools. I would put, yeah, and after I've done this, I would have lots of hairspray, and I wouldn't comb it out with a brush. I would just use my fingers because I want the curl to stay, and I want the curls to be very obvious. And if I comb it out, I feel like my hair gets frizzy. Okay, so apparently you can straighten by, let's try. You're supposed to be at the lowest setting. And okay, we'll straighten the curls that we've just made. The lowest setting, and then just use it like a... Does it work? Oh my god, it does! Straighten. Wow, okay. Oh, wow, okay. Okay. Yes, silver bullet. Okay. Didn't quite. Oh, I see that sometimes long hair is hard to style because it's just, my arms. I ran out of my legs. Oh, it does work. Oh, cool. Wow, I didn't think it would. But, okay, well, guess, that's all of 25 minutes of your time watching me ramble about like useless things. So, you know, like using this, I want to try this again. Okay, maybe this is how you do it. Oh no, I shouldn't have taken off my gloves. Kind of. Oh yeah, a little bit of a wave. I'm not good at it. That's why I have the curling type of thongs. I think you're meant to go like this, because I have one of those GHD straightener that you're supposed to be able to like curl your hair, but I've always found it very cumbersome. No. Still haven't got the skills. I think I'll just stick to waving my hair or using my curling thong if I want to have actually spiral curls. Oh well. Anyway, yes. One of those shampoo ads. Anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. Yes. Well, see you in the next video. There'll be more posts out about my travels. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you.